Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're looking at the 2025 ROG Zephyrus G14 model GA403, a laptop that has earned a strong reputation over the years as one of the most balanced gaming machines you can buy. The G14 has always been about giving you a powerful gaming experience in a compact, stylish body that you can actually carry around without breaking your back. This year, Asus has made big changes to performance, cooling, and design, while keeping the things that made the G14 so popular. Let's see if it's still the king of portable gaming laptops. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Zephyrus G14 is how clean and modern it looks. Asus has refined the design again, keeping the slim, minimal profile but adding subtle updates to the chassis. It's still built from high-quality magnesium aluminum alloy, which makes it strong but lightweight. The finish feels premium and resists fingerprints better than before. You can get it in the classic Eclipse Gray or the more striking Moonlight White Dot. It's one of the most portable gaming laptops with this level of power. At just under 1.7 kilograms and around 18 millimeters thick, it slips easily into a backpack. You could carry it to class, the office, or a coffee shop, and it wouldn't feel like you're hauling around a heavy gaming rig. The build quality is excellent, with no creaks or flecks, and the hinge is smooth and sturdy. You can open it with one hand, and it stays firmly in place, whether you're typing or gaming. Asus has kept the optional anime matrix display on the lid, which lets you customize animations, text, or images. It's purely for style, but it's a unique feature that makes the G14 stand out. If you don't care for it, you can get the version without it for a slightly lower price. Opening the lid reveals a gorgeous 14-inch display that's one of the highlights of the G14. For 2025, ASUS is offering two main panel options. The top-tier choice is a 3000-old display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-fast response times, and 100% DCI-P3 color coverage. It's bright, vibrant, and perfect for gaming, creative work, or watching movies. Motion looks buttery smooth, colors are deep and rich, and contrast is excellent. The other option is a 2.5K mini LED panel with a 165Hz refresh rate for those who want even smoother gameplay and high brightness for HDR content. Either way, you're getting a top-class screen. The bezels are thin on all sides, making the display feel larger, and the webcam now supports 1080p with Windows Hello facial recognition for quick logins. The webcam quality is much improved over older models, which had lower resolution cameras. Under the hood, the 2025 G14 packs serious power. You can configure it with AMD's latest Ryzen AI 9 processors, built on the new Zen 5 architecture, paired with NVIDIA's RTX 4070 or RTX 4060 GPUs in this thin chassis. You get incredible gaming and content creation performance. The AI cores in the CPU also handle productivity tasks like video editing, rendering, and AI-assisted workflows faster than before. Gaming performance is excellent. With the RTX 4070, you can easily hit high frame rates in modern AAA titles at 1440p. With high or ultra settings, DLSS 3 and frame generation make gameplay even smoother, and ray tracing looks stunning on the old panel. Even the lower RTX 4060 model handles most games at high settings comfortably. The combination of a powerful GPU and a high refresh display makes it ideal for competitive gaming. One of the biggest improvements this year is cooling. Asus has redesigned the thermal system with a larger vapor chamber, improved airflow, and better fan blades that move more air with less noise. This means you get higher sustained performance without the laptop getting too hot on your hands. The keyboard area stays cool, even during long gaming sessions, and fan noise is noticeable but not overly distracting. The keyboard itself is a pleasure to use. The keys have good travel and a satisfying feel, making them great for both gaming and typing. The RGB backlighting is perky customizable, and the lighting looks clean and even. The touchpad is larger than before and extremely smooth. With precise tracking for gestures and general navigation, audio performance is also impressive. The G14 has a 4-speaker setup with Dolby Atmos tuning, delivering clear mids and highs. With decent bass for a laptop this size, the speakers get loud enough for watching movies or gaming without headphones, though for competitive games, a good headset is still the way to go. Battery life is surprisingly strong for a gaming laptop, thanks to the efficient Ryzen AI processor and NVIDIA Optimus technology. You can get around 9 to 10 hours of light use, like browsing or streaming. For gaming, you'll want to be plugged in, but for work or travel, it can last a full day without the charger. The 90 watt-hours battery charges quickly, and you can top up to 50% in about 30 minutes with the included USB-C charger. Connectivity is solid. You get to USB-C ports with DisplayPort and power delivery. 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, a microSD card reader, and a headphone jack. The USB-C ports are on opposite sides, which makes charging more convenient. Wi-Fi 7 support ensures ultra-fast and stable wireless connections for gaming and streaming. The software experience is clean, with Windows 11 pre-installed and ACE Armoury Crate for performance management, fan control, and RGB customization. You can switch between silent, performance, and turbo modes depending on what you're doing. Turbo mode unlocks the full potential of the CPU and GPU for maximum gaming performance. In terms of value, the G14 isn't the cheapest gaming laptop, but it offers one of the best blends of portability, performance, and build quality. It's a laptop you can use for gaming, creative work, and daily tasks without feeling like you're carrying around a huge desktop replacement. The higher-end configurations are pricey, but you're getting premium components and features. Pros include powerful performance for its size, stunning display options, improved cooling, great battery life for a gaming laptop, excellent keyboard and touchpad, and strong build quality. Cons include a high price for top models, no full-sized SD card reader, and the fact that some users may prefer a larger screen for immersive gaming. Final verdict. The 2025 ROG Zephyrus G14 GA403 continues to prove why it's one of the most popular gaming laptops in the world. Asus has refined the design, boosted the performance, and improved cooling while keeping the portability and style that fans love. If you want a gaming laptop that you can take anywhere without sacrificing performance, this is still one of the best choices you can make in 2025. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the latest tech. See you in the next one.